Hey beauties, here to talk to you about my new unit, HDL VERA. She comes with a deep curved part, high definition lace, and body waves for days. So let's get into it. She comes protected and packaged inside a box, and she's also accompanied with an info tag that tells you all you need to know to care for your HDL VERA unit. Now what I love about the HDL VERA unit is her high definition lace. It melts into the skin, doesn't require a lot of customization, which can cut you time and gives you that natural, realistic look, especially her natural deep curved part, giving it a scalp-like look, blending right into your hairline. Yep, you'll be saying, what lace? Here's a closer look. And beauties, so much time is going to be cut from customizing your HDL VERA because she comes with a high definition lace, deep left part, and baby hair. So she's going to look even more real and natural. Not only will you have a natural install with your HDL VERA unit, but it's going to be comfortable. She comes with a breathable lace wig cap, plus combs to make sure your wig is in place, and adjustable straps for comfortable fitting. Now let's get into the hair. The fiber is Pure Connecalon and it's curling iron safe. It can take heat up to 360 degrees, so perfect for refreshing those body waves and adding curls or straightening. Yes, the HDL VERA unit could be styled just like human hair. So now we're ready to install. You're going to need some scissors to cut the high definition lace to be customized to your hairline. Alright, now the HDL VERA unit is ready to be installed. I like to grab the middle comb in the back to position and center the unit. Alright, so now the HDL VERA is installed. Remember the baby hairs I was telling you about? Well, now it's time to style them. Here's a product that I love to use, the olive oil Fix It Hold Spray. I spray a little bit on the baby hairs and then I style it with a little toothbrush comb. And to really give the unit a natural look, I apply foundation powder, that's my complexion color, to the deep curved left part. And we're all done. The HDL VERA unit from Fashion Search Wig Collection, available now at your local beauty supply store. Please hit that notification bell up top to get alerts on future videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to like and comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.